Hello everyone, and welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studio, the channel dedicated to helping you build the home of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, hit the like button, or share this video with your friends and family. Your engagement helps us bring you the best in architectural inspiration every single week. Today, we are exploring a style that has captured the hearts of millions, the American bungalow. But what does that actually mean? Simply put, an American bungalow is a home designed for comfort, simplicity, and a close connection to the outdoors. These houses are almost always 1 or 1.5 stories tall, featuring a low-profile roof and a wide, inviting front porch. The design started as a reaction against the big, cold, formal houses of the past. Instead of tall towers and unnecessary rooms, the bungalow offers an honest way of living, using natural materials like wood, stone, and brick to create a space that feels grounded and welcoming. It's a home that doesn't try to show off. Instead, it invites you in to relax. Choosing an American bungalow-style home offers a range of incredible benefits that appeal to both the heart and the wallet. From a lifestyle standpoint, the biggest win is accessibility. Because the main living areas are all on one level, these homes are perfect for everyone, from young families with toddlers to those looking to age gracefully without worrying about stairs. They also promote a much more social way of living. The open floor plans usually center around a cozy fireplace, making the kitchen and living room the true heart of the home. Financially, bungalows are often more energy efficient because they are easier to heat and cool than multi-story houses. To make the exterior of your American bungalow look high-end rather than dated, you need to focus on texture and contrast. The magic formula involves using a color palette inspired by nature. Think deep forest greens, warm ochres, or slate grays. You can make the house pop by painting the window trim and the roof's knee braces in a crisp, contrasting white or cream. The front porch is your biggest design opportunity. Don't just leave it empty. Add high-quality wooden furniture like Adirondack chairs, and use natural stone or brick for the porch pillars to give the house a sense of strength. Lighting is also key. Opt for warm-toned, vintage-style lanterns that highlight the wood grain and stone textures at night. By mixing these organic materials, you transform a simple house into a stunning architectural statement that feels both expensive and incredibly cozy. Bungalows are surprisingly versatile and can fit into several popular design styles depending on your vibe. The Craftsman bungalow is the most famous, celebrating handmade details, sturdy columns, and exposed rafters. If you live in a warmer climate, the California bungalow offers a lighter feel with stucco walls and Mediterranean influences. Whether you want the rustic charm of a woodland retreat or the sleek, clean lines of a modern pavilion, the bungalow provides a flexible foundation that can handle almost any aesthetic you can dream up. Now, let's look at the top 10 best American bungalow-style home design ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts. One, the ultimate craftsman sanctuary. This design is a masterclass in traditional beauty. It features dark emerald green shingle siding that contrasts perfectly with a bright white trim. The massive front porch is held up by heavy, tapered brick pillars, creating a sheltered outdoor living room. 2. The sage green suburban classic. This is the perfect example of how to do a simple bungalow right. The muted sage green paint helps the house blend into the garden, while the cream-colored trim highlights the beautiful window layouts. It features a stunning modern wooden front door with vertical glass inserts, giving it a fresh, updated feel that still respects the history of the neighborhood. 3. The L-shaped modern oasis. Taking a creative turn, this bungalow uses an L-shaped floor plan to create a private, hidden courtyard in the back. The exterior is a smooth, minimalist tan stucco, paired with dark charcoal louvered shutters. This design allows for massive sliding glass doors that lead directly to a private pool, proving that bungalows can be the ultimate luxury entertainment spaces. 4. Mid-century modern brick pavilion. This home looks like a glowing lantern at night. It uses whitewashed brick and huge, black-framed glass walls to create a house that feels completely transparent. The very low roofline makes it look like it's floating above the ground. 5. The Urban Industrial Bungalow. For city lovers, this design uses gray brick and black steel to create an edgy, industrial vibe. It actually includes a small, half-story loft with a balcony that overlooks the street. The cantilevered roof provides a deep shadow over the entryway, making the home feel private and secure even in a busy urban environment. 6. Contemporary Tropical Retreat. This bungalow brings resort vibes to your daily life. It features smooth white walls and rich, dark wood ceilings on the porch. The integrated amber lighting hidden in the eaves makes the house look incredibly sophisticated at night. With a mixture of tropical plants and stone accent walls, this home feels like a high-end vacation villa. 7. The Modern Gable Hybrid. This design is all about bold angles. It features a massive, soaring gabled roof over the main living area, covered in horizontal wood siding. The rest of the house uses dark gray brick and white stucco to create a three-tone look that is very popular in 2026. It's an energetic, fun design that looks great in any modern suburb. 8. Coastal Minimalist Pavilion. Clean, bright, and airy, this bungalow is designed for the beach. It features a completely flat roof that can be used as a sun deck and is painted in a brilliant, sun-reflective white. The large windows are framed in dark wood to add warmth, while the desert-style landscaping with palm trees makes it a low-maintenance paradise. 9. The Contemporary Nordic Lodge. This home is the definition of hygge. It uses matte black vertical siding and warm, honey-colored wood inside the gables. The outdoor area includes a sunken concrete fire pit and built-in wooden benches, making it the perfect spot for winter nights. It's a moody, stylish take on the bungalow that feels incredibly cozy and private. 10. Ultramodern Glass and Wood Pavilion. Our final design is a minimalist dream. The house is essentially a series of glass panels and vertical wood slats that can be moved to change the look of the exterior. The pure white roof and chimney provide a sharp, clean frame for the natural wood. It's a futuristic take on the bungalow that focuses entirely on the view and the light. The shift back toward the American bungalow is a powerful statement about how we want to live today. By choosing a home that is simple, accessible, and beautifully designed, you aren't just buying a house, you're creating a space where you can actually slow down and enjoy your life. Whether you want a tiny, traditional cottage or a large, glass-walled modern estate, the bungalow offers a strong, timeless foundation for your dreams. If you enjoyed this tour of the world's best American bungalow homes, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more home inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which of these top 10 designs could you see yourself living in? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest trends in architecture and decor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.